Make sure you get, this is a Husky one, alright? It's waterproof or it's sealed, you know what I mean? Whatever one you get, make sure it got the rubber gasket around it, you know what I'm saying? Keep the water out. Then you get your brush and you epoxy it to the bottom, dry. Then you put your water in. Alright people, it's your man Rajay 111. I'm making another portable tire washer. So figured I'll turn the camera on, show y'all how to make this. It's simple and easy. You just need a container that's waterproof. It should say, this is the one I got. Let me show y'all. See, it says 100% proof, 100% leak proof, guaranteed, allegedly. Rubbermaid, people, you can get them anywhere. This is just what I picked up from Walmart. This is all they really had as far as 100% leak proof. But you can get them on Amazon, you know, get them anywhere, people, okay? There's nothing special, magical. You know, it comes with a rubber gasket around there, okay? Push it down, make sure it seals. See that? It seals up, let the air out, you can lock it, no problems, all right? Easy breezy. All right. What you're gonna need is your container. Make sure you get a big enough container that'll fit your wheel, and your brush. Need your brush. Alright, this brush, oh man, I gotta remember. This brush, I think it was like a floor sweeper or something. And I cut it in half and then chopped it off here so it's thin. And what you wanna do is you wanna do your fitment first before you do anything, because you don't wanna get to the track and then find out your thing don't work. So I recommend you use a truggy tire, especially if you race truggy, because if you use the truggy tire and you good, then you know a buggy tire gonna fit. If you just race buggy, that's fine, just use buggy tire. But I can go either way. Don't put it dead in the center like this. See that? You don't want to do that, because you have to get in there to get some water on the tire. See what I mean? And then scrub with it and then rinse the tire off. So if I do like this, I can do like this. And I will put this to the side. That way I got water here, I can scrub here. Alright? Or I can go like this. This is the way I'm going to do. You got all this for water. Okay? Then you scrub right here. That way I think I'm going to do that way, like that. I like that way better. Alright? Yeah, like that. Alright. So now what you're going to need is you're going to need something to stick the tire down, the brush down with. I'm just using JB Weld, because that's all I had in the garage. But you can use any kind of epoxy. Don't use RTV or nothing, that's too flexible. I'm just using this. That's what I had in the garage. You're gonna need you some sandpaper, because you got to scuff this up. You got to scuff up where you putting the brush at, because it has to have something that the epoxy got to have something to bite to. All right. So some sandpaper. Now I ran out of sandpaper and I just found out, so I'm going to use this. This is a sanding block, drywall block. So since I'm putting the brush right there, right? Okay, cool. I'm gonna scuff that area up. Take the block, and people, it ain't nothing magical. Just gonna scuff it up. See that hazed over? Now make sure the brush. Yep, that's good coverage. All right. Then you want to take the back of your brush, okay, move this out the way, back of your brush, and scuffed it up. This is already scuffed up, but I'm gonna do it again. Alright, then take some rubbing alcohol, clean everything up. Regular old alcohol, isopropyl alcohol, that's all you need, people. Set this stuff to the side. Get something to mix, cardboard or something, something you can mix your epoxy with. Put a lot, because we have to. You gotta shellac this brush. You gotta get good coverage on this brush. So when you take this hardener and stuff, use a lot of it. All right. So take a line. Same deal with your hardener. Alright, get you something to mix it. These called, tongue depressors. These work great mixing. All right, so let's mix that up real quick. All right, once you got it all mixed up good and uniform, scrape it up, spread that sucker on the brush, the back of the brush, like pancake, like you're doing a cake. All right, move this to the side. Grab your pan, and because you want this to kind of spooge out, put it right there where your scuff mark at. All right, try not to touch it either. So go this way. Wiggle it around a little bit. It's on it nice and flat. Push it down some. That way you get some spooge out. That's good to go. Now, what we're gonna do is we'll let this sit for 24 hours. Then I'll be back and we'll put the water in and everything. All right, people. It's been 24 hours and it's the next day, and it should be dry by now. What you can do is you always keep your sample. That way you can kind of get an idea of how it hardened up or whatever. So you see that's pretty hard. So, all right, and you can see the back. You can see the coverage on the back, covering the brush. So from there, you just put in whatever detergent or whatever soap you're gonna use. Of course, I'm using Simple Green with some water. I don't really got a mixture. I just pour in a little Simple Green, and that's it. A little bit of Simple Green. Don't fill it all the way to the top. Just you want to just really get the brushes wet. See how it comes up. You don't really want it over the brushes. Okay, that's pretty good. And yeah, you just want it probably halfway up the brushes, something like that. So then we put our lid on there. You can see. Push it down. Lock. And there we go. See that? Dry as a bird. And you can see, hopefully y'all can see, the water it's not coming underneath the brush. See that? That's it, people. Boom. From there, open it back up. Try it on. I don't have no tires around, people. I'm sorry. But from there, because I'm packed up, rolling out tonight for Fall Brawl. But, you take your tire, you put it on there. Okay? Now, this will fling up. So what I usually do is I'll put the lid up right here, like this, something like that, up against there. That way, you kind of minimize the splashing. Alright? Alright, people, that's just a quick tire washer, easy to make. Now, they do sell tire washers, but, this is simple and easy for me to make. So, it's not bad. Alright? Alright, people, I gotta get ready to get myself together because I'm out of here tonight to head to Fall Brawl. Alright? Probably when y'all get this video, I'll be on my way down there. Alright, people, so this your man Rajay 111. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.